Astrology Carlos Forza Perceptual Training Part 1. Moon. We will take a brief journey through the planets, understanding their functions, vibrational qualities, moving from the abstract to concrete objects associated with that planetary energy. This class we start to looking at the planets one by one. The idea is not for us to learn them theoretically, but for us to learn how to perceive them. Because they are around us all the time, they are in us and in our relationships, so the intention is for us to learn to perceive them from contemplation. We will start with the moon. The moon is the first of the planets. The moon is the ruler of Cancer. It's related to the element of water, and it has to do with self-preservation. What's known, what's emotional? It has to do with family ties. With mom, with grandma, with my area of belonging. Let's imagine family situations, having lunch, dinner with the family, with grandma, with mom, close friends, from long ago familiar places. Let's imagine sensations from these images. What are the sensations of going to eat at grandma's? Or for her to tell me family stories? Or to feel in a totally comfortable environment? The moon is where I can be in flip-flops, we could say, that is, where I do not have to defend myself from any external predators, but am rather in my sphere of belonging. So the moon in the natal chart is related to that. How I preserve myself, how I give and receive affection, how I feel loved, how I feel included in my sphere of belonging. Objects. Any object that has some emotional charge. Because it was grandma's, because it was the family's. It will be related to the moon. The moon have a defense mechanism in which we self-preserve and reproduce ourselves in moments of crisis or situations where we are asked to go a little beyond what is known. Having a moon in Aries is not the same as having a moon in Capricorn. The reactions will be different. A moon in Aries will go out. It will react to a risky or insecure situation. A moon in Capricorn will tend to isolate itself or stand alone without asking for help. So, it is very important being able to record what moon we have. The next planet is Mercury. Mercury is the ruler of Gemini and is the ruler of Virgo. Therefore, there will be an air Mercury, because it is from Gemini, and in Virgo Mercury, the Gemini Mercury, it will be related to words, perhaps, or more, loose information, or a group of information. The Virgo Mercury will have much more to do with a package of information. Mercury is in charge of carrying and bringing data. The neuronal synapse is Mercury. It opens and closes different information. It shares and distributes information.